Do you know crocheting has gone beyond cap and sweaters? What you're going to be seeing in this video will shock you. Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is Global Fashion and Lifestyle, where we bring you latest Ankara and lace styles, and we also talk about general lifestyles and lifestyle here in Germany. If this is your first time here, you are welcome. To all my returning subscribers, I appreciate you guys a lot. Thank you so much for joining in today. Today we are sharing with you beautiful and amazing styles and design of crocheting with the finest yarn materials. So guys, just grab your popcorn and sit tight and watch this video till the end. You don't want to miss any of it. Just sit tight and watch every bit of it, and you'll be amazed at what you'll be seeing. Credits to all the designers. May God continue to bless the works of your hands. So guys, keep watching. Thank you guys for watching up to this point, and trust you love what you have seen. Will you be making one of these? Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments. And if you like the top I am putting on, it's actually a crochet top. You can check in the description for details. Thank you so much. See you again in my next one. Bye bye.